Before you look at a single home in Oshawa and the Durham region, there's one thing you absolutely need to do first, and that's get pre-approved for your mortgage. Not pre-qualified, pre-approved. There's a difference and it matters. Today, I'm walking you through the complete step-by-step process so you know exactly what to expect. I'm Jason Mendoza, Realtor with LePage Real Estate. Let's get into it, and right at the top, if you want a full pre-approval checklist, text first home to 289-685-2170 and I'll send you my free first time buyer guide, which walks you through the whole process. Or book a free discovery call below and we'll talk about your specific situation. First, the difference between pre-qualification and pre-approval. Pre-qualification is a quick estimate based on your numbers you tell a lender. It takes about 10 minutes and means almost nothing in today's market. Pre-approval is a real review of your financial documents, income, employment, credit, assets, debts, and it results in a written commitment from a lender for a specific amount at a specific rate, held for a specific time period, usually 90 to 120 days. When you make an offer in Durham region, today's sellers want to know you're pre-approved, not just pre-qualified. Here's what lenders look at. Your income and employment, they want to see it's stable employment, ideally for at least 2 years. Self-employed buyers need 2 years of filed tax returns showing consistent income. Your credit score, in Canada, you generally want scores of 680 or above for the best rates. Lenders calculate your total debt service ratio, which looks at all your monthly debt payments, including your proposed mortgage versus your gross income. The lower your existing debt, the better your approval odds. They want to see where it's coming from and that it's been in your account for at least 90 days if possible. And halfway through, if any of this is making you think about your own situation and you want to talk through your numbers specifically, book a free discovery call below or text me at 289-685-2170. I work with buyers at every stage and there's no obligation. How to improve your approval odds before you apply. Pay down credit card balances below 30% of your limit. Don't apply for any new credit cards in the 90 days before you apply for a mortgage. Don't change jobs if you can help it. Lenders love stability. If your credit score needs work, there are specific steps you can take to move in the right direction in 60 to 90 days. Common mistakes to avoid. Number 1. Don't make any large purchases on credit between pre-approval and closing. A new car, new furniture, anything that adds to your total debt load can change your approval. Number 2, don't change jobs between pre-approval and closing. Number 3, don't move large amounts of money between accounts without being able to explain where it came from. Lenders will ask, how long does pre-approval take? With a mortgage broker and all your documents ready, often 24 to 48 hours for a decision. Going directly to a bank can take longer. I always recommend working with a mortgage broker because they have access to multiple lenders and can shop your application for the best rate. If you need a referral to a trusted mortgage broker in the Durham region, reach out to me directly. I have people I trust and send clients to them regularly. Text first home to 289-685-2170 for my free buyer guide or book a free discovery call. Subscribe for more Durham region content every week. I'm Jason Mendoza with LePage Real Estate, your move done right.